My name is Nisan Sele. I'm a graduate student at the Neuroscience Graduate Program at Emory University, and I'm a fellowship recipient of the International Foundation for Ethical Research. My research is about human neuronal maturation, which is an incredibly species-specific process that differs from rodents and primates. I'm hoping to use a subplate, which is a transient region in the human fetal brain that contains anachronistically mature neurons, to understand the mechanisms and processes behind human neuronal maturation. I will be mainly using stem cell-based 3D models of the brain to conduct my experiments. I chose this area of research as neuronal maturation differs in terms of the processes and outcomes between humans and other species. Therefore, as one of the most divergent features of neurodevelopment, it may be contributing to human-specific conditions such as neurodevelopmental disorders. I want to model a human-specific process using human cells and tissues to promote humane alternatives to animal methodologies, which is aligned with IFER's mission. I was drawn to pursue humane research methods as I believe they're the new frontier of science. One of the big goals of science is to study human health. And as we study human health, we need to learn more about human tissues and cell types. This makes human tissues and cell types more translational, which is highlighted by the fact that processes such as human neuronal maturation mechanisms cannot be fully outlined with the use of animal methodologies. Funding from IFER will be essential as I continue my graduate school journey and as I conduct my research. I am mentored by Dr. Fikri Bure, whose mentorship and guidance has been essential during my graduate school education. Future directions for my research will include using the subplate as a model system through which to study human neuronal maturation and all of its processes. In the future, I hope to stay in academia and continue conducting cutting-edge research, as well as mentor future scientists.